Hello everyone, welcome back to Positive Energy. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix an issue in Adobe Acrobat where the text-to-speech online voices stop working and show the error. A problem occurred. Please try again later. Problem explanation. I have been using the Read Aloud text-to-speech feature in Acrobat Reader for a long time without any problems. But recently, the online voices stopped working. The offline voices still work, but whenever I select an online voice, this error message appears. What I already tried. Before fixing it, I already tried several basic solutions like updating the app to the latest version, restarting the computer, trying different PDF files, checking the internet connection, signing out, and signing back into my Adobe account. But none of these solve the problem. Let's fix this issue step by step. 1. Open Adobe Acrobat Reader. 2. Go to the menu in the top left corner. 3. Click Preferences. You can also press Ctrl+K on your keyboard to quickly open the Preferences window. In the left panel, select Reading. Under Screen Reader Options, make sure the correct voice is selected. Now switch to a different voice temporarily. Now close Adobe Acrobat completely. Open Adobe Acrobat again. Now go to Adobe Preferences again. Reselect your preferred online voice and click OK. In many cases, this simple reset fixes the online voice error. If the issue still appears, try Update Adobe Acrobat. Go to Menu, select Help, and then check for updates. Or try switching between offline and online voices once, then restart Acrobat again. This helps refresh the text-to-speech voice service. I hope this quick fix helps you solve the Read Aloud voice problem in Acrobat Reader. If this video helped you, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to Positive Energy for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.